Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Domo hat on Dress to Impress. Select this hat here. You don't need VIP for this, so don't worry. Select this hat, and then you're going to go to this area here. Then you're going to need this hat. Toggle it off to no ears and color it this brown. Then you're going to select this. Select on head, and you're going to color the first toggle red and the second one black. Select these glasses and toggle it to the above head, the first one. And you're just going to leave this color for the teeth, I guess. And then use these bows. Select the type 3 toggle and then color it black. And voila, you got this really cute hat. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!